Hi guys! Good morning! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's mini vlog, paunahan sale po ulit tayo. Dito lamang yan sa may St. Joseph Ridgeview Subdivision, Barangay Paliparan 2, Dasmariñas. Malapit po ito sa San Pedro, Laguna na side. Ang kanyang lot area ay 80 square meters at ang kanyang floor area naman ay 85 square meters. Selling for as low as 2,175,000 for as low as 435K or 20% na spot down. Pwede na po kayong lumipat. Yung remaining na 80% ay pwede po siyang hulugan through in-house financing or bank financing. For viewing and pastor transaction, please direct messages at FB Messenger Sheila Medina Veronilla or contact us at Smart Viber 0908-893-4078. Thank you for watching and keep safe always. Bye!